Yeah, I think I'm going to go home. I'm going to do my own research. I think I'm going to start, smoking it up, I think.
The one thing that struck me from the first days, there was a lot of talk about the effect of chronic and heavy cannabis use on young people, youth of sort of 14, 15, 16 years old.
I think it's opened the discussion and opened the debate, which is a good thing. I think there's more discussion to be had, and I think there's actually more discussion to be had around the treatment aspects, and particularly, from the session we just saw around how we approach withdrawal and what that looks like for people.
I've gained a lot more knowledge, and so I think my opinions will be slightly more informed when I actually make a final one.
I imagine that we're going to have a situation where cannabis is a regulated substance that people can choose to use, provided that they're of an age more like the way we deal with psychoactive substances actually in the new Act. And I think that's the sensible approach.
War on drugs has failed, which is interesting because it means that all the drug users won the war on drugs, and they were all probably quite incapacitated while they did it.
I would like to see it properly legalized in the first place, but then properly regulated in a way alcohol should be regulated.
Hopefully we will have progressed quite a bit, particularly in the justice area. I'm not sure how we're going to go in terms of the whole legalisation, decriminalisation debate.
It's been useful for me to actually know more about current state of evidence on health-related harm.
Slang terms.
Cannabis, weed, pot, reefer, Mary Jane, chronic, electric puha,
There's probably about, 10, weed, grass, DAC.
yucky, skunk, green, smoke, puff, wacky backy, marijuana.
You're from Northland, you know these things.
Oh, look, we're good people up in Northland.
Back home in Wanganui, it's really just weed.
Reefer, pot, weed, DAC, dope.
420, Taranaki, hardcore.
Dope?
Love it. Dope? There we go, see?
Cannabis indica, sativa, pot, dope, blow, smoke, grass.
Joints, ganja, blunt, Dutchies, dope and DAC.
Horse?
Oh, rhinos.
Hey.